Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can create poll in WhatsApp group chat. Let's get started. First of all, go to your WhatsApp application on your phone. Then select the group chat that you want to send a poll, and I'm just going to select this group chat. Alright, after that, if we want to create a poll, we can click on this attachment button right here. Then just click on poll since we want to create a poll. And we can ask the question right here. We made like this, and we can put the options for these questions. And I'm going to put this option. Okay. Alright, and if you don't allow multiple answers, you can turn off the multiple answers like right here. You can turn off the multiple answer by clicking on the circle button. And after you are done creating the poll, you can click on the send button to send the poll to your group chat. Okay guys, and now the poll has been sent to the group chat, and that's how we can create WhatsApp poll in group chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.